real quick, before we get into today's episode, there was, on the last What's Up video, there was a giveaway for 3 bottles of Neurotest. I'm going to go ahead and announce those names here. Let's see. So the 3 winners were Eric Bettinger, we've got Matthew Alderson, and Jeremy Q. Quattlebaum. I know how to say your name, bro. Took me a while to learn that for sure. All right, guys, so hit me up. I will post a comment in the other video so that you're notified. Just hit me up and we'll get those bottles out to you, and we'll explain to you how it works. All right, guys, let's get into the video. What's going on, guys? Anthony here from AO Fitness. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I know things are going crazy right now with the quarantine pending. Who knows what's going to happen? But for right now, we're just going to keep making videos and make the best of it. So today we've got a new episode, part of the series, the What's Up series. What's up? What's up? What's up? What is that? The What's Up series. So today we're going to cover Burn Agenda from, of course, Priority Nutrition. Now, I've got a question that I want to ask you guys. I need your help on. So if you could please stay till the end, because your feedback is super important to me. So let's get into it. So we have had an overwhelmingly positive response to Burn Agenda. It has 7 ingredients inside of a 3 capsule serving. I'm gonna go over it real quick in just brief detail so you understand what it is. I gotta say, like, this, hands down, out of all the products, this is my favorite one because it does actually help to burn body fat. Let me explain. So what makes this different than most other fat burners, most burners are just, or thermogenics, they've got like some green tea extracts, some caffeine, that's it, right? There's a couple of ingredients. All it does is elevate your heart rate, or heating up the blood, moving it faster throughout the body, giving you the inertia of having more energy. Truth is too much of that can definitely lead to a crash, which, you know, it's one of those things where if you've got extra energy, it's up to you to do something with it. What I like about Burn Agenda is that it does have the caffeine in there, not a super high amount. It does have green tea extract as well to give you that thermogenesis effect. But what's in here is CLA and carnitine. Now, if you're a bodybuilder, you're shredding or anything like that, or you're just trying to cut weight for the beach, like, CLA and carnitine is one of those things where it's a must-have. CLA helps with some of the bad fats you're putting in your body from food, helps dispose of some of them before they actually physically get digested. And then the carnitine seeks out existing fat storage. It shrinks that, throws it back into the bloodstream, so you have another chance at burning it off again. So in my opinion, having CLA and carnitine together with caffeine, like, it's a really good mixture. Now, most of the time when we take stuff like Burn Agenda or any type of fat burner, we're trying to limit our calories. We're trying to limit how many calories we take in throughout the day, so you tend to be a little bit more hungry. This does have a mild appetite suppressant built into it, so it definitely helps get you through to your next snack or your next meal without snacking on some of the bad stuff. And what we've noticed about this ingredient that's in here is that it helps curb like sugar cravings, not all of them, but like, you're still hungry and you can eat, but I feel like with having the 2 nootropics and everything in here, you make more or better informed decisions on the food that you put into your body. So on to the last 2 ingredients. There is alpha GPC and lion's mane extract. Those 2 are some of the most powerful nootropics they've ever made. And when you combine them together with the caffeine, with the green tea extract, with the yohimbine, everything that's in there, you get really clean, smooth energy that lasts for hours. I mean, you can look at the reviews on here. Everyone is saying that it's just amazing. It's great. You can find this on Amazon right now with this whole pending quarantine thing. They are only $39.99. There's limited stock on there. I'm gonna try and get another shipment out to Amazon in time, just in case we do get quarantined for a longer period of time. I want to make sure that you guys at least have this here, because when you're at home, it's hard to stay focused. It's hard to stay on task. All right, guys, so if you have any questions about Burn Agenda, like, you can obviously private message me or just drop in the comments below what your questions are. I'd be more than happy to answer those for you. Here's where I need your help. So we made a bunch, we printed a ton of labels, sent them off to the manufacturer. We are ready to order another big batch, and the issue that we're running into is we don't have any more labels. So I had to go in and recreate a brand new label. Now, if you look at Happy Project, Neurotest, Dream Task, they all have like A very similar design aspect to it, being that this is Burn Agenda, this was our first shot at it. So there's some things I wanted to change on it. So you can take a look at the label here. You'll see, you know, it's a little cleaner, a little easier to read. There's the infographic that's put on there, like all the other products. Here's where I need your help. So originally Burn Agenda was black pills with a black lid with a purple and silver theme to the label. Now we've got white pills because the carnitine, the powder on there, it showed up on there and it made it like a brown color, which nobody wants to take that. It didn't look good at all. So the manufacturer spent like hours and hours and hours and hours and countless brushes trying to clean them off. But here's the deal. So we've got white pills. Do I go with the black lid or the white lid? So here's the differences. Here's the two. So here's the black one and then here's the white one. Now put in the comments below, let me know which one you think looks best. I need your help, please. All right guys, that is it for today's What's Up episode. I hope you enjoyed the additional information on Burn Agenda. If you haven't tried it already, please stop in at BStarX. We'll hook you up with a free sample, a couple days, so you can at least feel what it feels like. I tell you, it's amazing. You'll love it. Again, I appreciate your time, effort, love, and support, and we will see you guys on the next video. As always, guys, get out there and do something epic.